Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I am Paul Yateman. Sometimes I draw stuff. I have set aside May for a hashtag Tim Burton challenge. For today's sketch I am drawing a couple of stuffed toys with minor modifications. These toys are in my collection of stuff I have, and they were, or should that be are, merchandise from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Today I will be concentrating on eyes and faces. As well as this, I draw a quick sandworm and a dodgy looking vampire bat. The drawing today is in pencil mostly, as I did not want to kill the drawing on the other side of my sketch pad by applying marker. In real time, this took about 70 minutes. The first black texture I used ran out of ink pretty fast, so into the bin it went. The result here sort of goes with the washed out look I was aiming for, so no loss. It took me about 5 minutes to get the pencil application applied in such a way that it did not appear streaky or blocky. My small set of Derwents has 2 greys, so I utilised my HB for the left-hand character colour. Rather than ink this cleanly, I went for a shaky or wobbly look to try and lend today's piece more of a Burton-esque appearance. Of course, drawing a couple of his creations helps, though lines and colour palette go a long way in this style. I used a lot of greys in this work, with some colours in the polka dot wearing beastie. This character also got round eyes where the reference has almond shaped ones. This month's challenge offers a lot of scope. I could draw spreads of character development, finish beasties inspired by Tim Burton, or even try drawing the menagerie of creatures and characters I have developed over the years in a Burton-esque way. Though Mr. Burton has quite a range of work encompassing Dumbo, Batman, Big Fish, and a lot of stop motion, I lean towards the animated works more than the live action. This means I likely go the more gothic pencil look for whatever I come up with, even if referencing live action. As an example, what would the penguin look like if he was created for a cartoon or a claymation rather than a live action movie? I also might make use of my new sketch pad I picked up, which is a craft paper one. So that's basically your brown paper sketchbook pad, 110 gram, 50 sheets. Most likely marker will bleed through, but I'll find that out as I go along. So, what do you think about today's work? Can you do better? Show me! If you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, or you got ideas for your own sketchbook and all that fun stuff, subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing!